Hello, I'm Morty from SANY. Today, we are checking out this impressive SANY 49 meters concreted pump truck, a machine designed for high-efficiency concreted pumping on large construction projects. First, let's talk about the boom. This pump truck features a 69 meters long boom with 40 sections, giving it excellent flexibility and a wide working range on site. It can easily handle high-rise buildings, bridge constructions, commercial projects, and other demanding jobs. This machine delivers powerful pumping performance with a maximum concreted output of about 180 cubic meters per hour. The strong hydraulic system ensures stable pressures and smooth concrete flow during operation. Another important feature is the chassis configurations. This SANY pump truck is mounted on a heavy-duty chassis, providing excellent stability. Even when the boom is fully extended, the machine remains balanced and secure during operation. The intelligent control system is another highlight. Operators can control the boom movement precisely using the remote control system, making operations easier, safer, and more efficient on busy construction sites. And honestly, this is the reason why SANY pump trucks are becoming more and more popular in overseas market. Customers want reliable performance, easy maintenance, good spare parts support, and competitive prices. And these machines deliver all of that. If you are looking for a high-performance concreted pump truck for large construction projects, the SANY 49 meters pump truck is definitely worth considering. Let us know what you're thinking about this machine in the comments below. And don't forget to follow the channel for more heavy machinery and construction equipment videos from China.